Ingeteam Service is part of the Ingeteam Group and specialises in the provision of power plant operation and maintenance services, primarily focused on the renewables sector. As an operation and maintenance market leader, Ingeteam is present worldwide. From its headquarters based in Albacete, Spain, the company coordinates the work of more than 1,600 technicians, ready to travel anywhere in the world to provide the power plant operation, maintenance and specialist services required by customers. It's true to say that Ingeteam Service is a customer-oriented company, focused on providing excellent service based on ongoing collaboration. The first step in this process is to determine the customer's specific needs, and this close contact is then maintained throughout the project life cycle, with services ranging from preventive to corrective maintenance, as well as the supply of spares for all types of power plants, including wind farms, photovoltaic parks, hydropower, and biomass plants. At any power generation site in the world, Ingeteam Service can be right there, focused on ensuring maximum energy production at the plant, yet under optimal conditions in order to maximise the plant's service life. This is achieved by using the very latest predictive maintenance technologies and techniques. Thanks to its extensive experience, Ingeteam Service has become a reputable leader, trusted by the key actors and the international energy sector. With a business model distinguished by its capacity to offer multi-technology services, the company provides innovation throughout the value chain. The fact is that technological innovation and commitment to customers are the driving force behind its growth, expansion and leadership. A driving force functioning at full capacity, spreading the company's know-how and technology across the planet. Ingeteam Service has subsidiaries in all 5 continents, with particular mention of its strategic position in Latin America, where it has become the leading provider of power plant operation and maintenance services. In order to successfully meet the requirements of each specific plant, the Ingeteam Service technicians are committed to quality and efficiency. The company's team of staff is its core value. The importance of this is shown by the company's effort to ensure that safety is a key factor in its business. As a benchmark company with regard to occupational risk prevention and training, Ingeteam Service offers its customers excellent service, yet always maintaining the highest standards of safety and quality. Ingeteam Service is a company committed to protecting the environment and to society, a company that encourages its employees to adopt a healthy lifestyle by promoting values such as sport, using its corporate social responsibility policy to return to the public much of what it receives. Ingeteam Service offers individual solutions tailored to meet the needs of each and every customer and person, because that's its core purpose.
Ingeteam, ready for your challenges.